On July 2, 2022, a heavy rainstorm occurred in Yanji City, Jilin Province. The upstream water level soared, and the downstream water volume was too high and rushed to the river embankment, causing flooding. The flood swept everything away on its path, included cars and stalls. After receiving multiple reports, the Special Service Fire and Rescue Station on Xinhua Street immediately dispatched 3 vehicles and 18 people to the scene for disposal. After the fire and rescue personnel arrived at the scene, they found that the water level of the Yanji River had risen due to the sudden rainstorm, and more than 10 stall owners in the local market were trapped. Firefighters took immediate steps to rescue. After several rounds of search and rescue, with the full cooperation of the local public security and emergency response, many trapped people were transferred to a safe area. As of that time, the water level of the Yanha Reservoir in Jilin was 323.31 meters, which was 0.54 meters below the flood limit. The reservoir is operating normally, but the Yanha Reservoir has not yet been opened to release water.